One second.
Hi, this is the team of Homes NYC. We are here to present ourselves so you get to know each and every one of us. You have different nationalities, different languages. I'll let each and everyone present themselves to you. Let's start with Ryan Ali.
السلام عليكم، اسمي ريان علي. لو عاوزين تشتروا بيت في نيويورك ولا نيوجيرسي اريا اتصلوا بينا ونحن حنساعدكم.
Nike ntole Mamadou Aliou Balde na yi Africa bonsara albisanki la ambese mademela la bonsoro
won wali ngaline Maria Balde mo na New York City ne hawa mabangay sarape won ngali mono mo malide. Merci.
Hola, soy Nelly Jurado y estoy aquí para ayudar. Nosotros somos expertos en todas las áreas de Nueva York.
Hi, I'm Anita Khan. Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a home? We are here to help you at Home NYC. Come, give us an opportunity to help you. We make great.
Bonjour, mon nom c'est Ibrahim Ba de Homes NYC Group. On est là aujourd'hui pour vous dire tout simplement que si vous cherchez des maisons à acheter ou bien à vendre ou bien des locations, des sambles, tout ce que vous voulez, nous sommes là pour vous aider. Homes NYC, c'est la raison pour laquelle nous sommes là, pour la communauté. C'est pour vous dire tout simplement que n'hésitez pas de nous appeler parce qu'on est là pour vous aider.
On jarama o team mo yidon do ko team amen on ni no yimi de mari ga language different de mari culture different be andi kadi sare ne ngeno fulani kala mo fala sudugol ma lugol ma yegol nodde o équipe amen do ne wali toto.
Hello, we are live. Good afternoon, everyone. As you know, my name is Aissatou Diallo. I'm a licensed real estate salesperson in the state of New York. I work with Homes NYC Group. Today we have Frankie Vozzi with us. He's a mortgage lender. He has worked a lot of deals with our company. He's the guy to go for your mortgage, and he worked with Jet Direct. Last time he was here at the show, we spoke about a lot of stuff, and today again he has more information to share with you. That's why we invited him. Welcome, Frankie. Can you?
Hi, how you doing, everyone? Thanks for having me.
Thank you for being here. Can you present yourself again? Tell us about you, how long you've been doing this, and just really introduce yourself.
Sure. So. Yeah, my name is Frankie Vozzi. I work with Jet Direct Mortgage. I'm the branch manager of their Great Neck location. I've been in the mortgage business since 2005, so a long time. I've been working with Homes NYC and their agents for almost just as long. So we've been helping serve the community to purchase homes all over Long Island, New York City, the boroughs of New York. So we really have a good handle on everyone's needs and how we can get you guys into a home fast and easy as possible.
Yes, thank you for that, Frankie. So now I just want you to refresh our mind a little bit what the mortgage is and what type of mortgage they are. What type?
Yep. So a mortgage is a loan that somebody would get to purchase a house. We can offer you mortgages on single family homes or multifamily homes. So you could purchase a house just for you and your family, or you could purchase a house to live in a unit and then rent out the other unit. So there's different types of loans that you can qualify for. There's conventional loans and there's FHA loans. Each loan has their separate guidelines, which we will discuss and go over to see which one works best for you.
Okay, great. And so can you tell us a little bit about the FHA loan, the basic stuff, we have?
Sure. So the FHA loan is a government loan. It's a great loan for first-time home buyers. It allows you to put down a very low down payment of 3.5% of the purchase price. So whether you're buying a single family home or a 2, 3, or 4 family home, you're able to put down 3.5% of the purchase price. Okay. So with these loans, we would review your income for the 2 most recent years, and you would qualify with 2 years worth of income and credit score requirements on these loans are less strict than a conventional loan. So credit scores can be as low as 600, and you'd be able to qualify for one of these types of loans.
So FHA loan is a great loan for first-time home buyers. You hear that. And what about the conventional loan?
So conventional loans also are great for first-time home buyers if you're going to be purchasing a single-family house.
Mhm.
With a single-family house for a conventional loan, you could put as low as a 5% down payment. So the down payment is a little bit more. But the good thing with the conventional loan on a single-family house is we'll only look at your income for the most recent year. So instead of averaging income for the last 2 years, we'll look at your income for just 2022, which helps you qualify for more, because a lot of people in 2021 were recovering from the COVID pandemic and may not have had a lot of income. When things got back to normal, and now in 2022, the income is back to where it should be, it's going to help you qualify for more of a loan. That's for a one-family house. On a two-family house conventional, same thing. You can use a 1-year tax return, but you have to put a much larger down payment. The down payment is 20% compared to an FHA loan only having to put down 3.5%.
Okay, and also I heard that conventional loan you can go low as 3%. Is that possible?
So in some areas on
Yeah.
a single family house, you could put as low as 3%. It's a little difficult because there are some income requirements and credit score requirements. So it's a special program. It is available, but it's a little bit tougher to qualify for. We really would need to know the exact location of the house that you'd be buying to see if it fits into the income requirements.
Okay, good. And also, what are the credit requirement on this conventional loan?
Sure. So conventional loans, they have a much higher credit qualification. So in order to qualify for a 1-year tax return, your credit score would have to be somewhere in the 700s. I would say 700 to 720 in that range. We can get a conventional loan done with a lower credit score, but you may not qualify for the 1-year tax return with a lower than 700 credit score.
Okay, got it. So is there any other loan, like which loan that you don't use no income to be qualified? Is it a conventional or an FHA loan?
So we do have no income loans, which are neither FHA or conventional. They're called non-qualified mortgages, non-QM.
Okay.
And the way that you would qualify for that would depend on if you're purchasing a house to live in as your primary residence, or if you're buying a house to invest, to rent out. Now, we have these types of loans for people who want to live in the house as their primary residence if they are self-employed. If you're a self-employed buyer and you want to purchase a house using no income, we can qualify you one of two ways. We can look at your bank statements for the last 12 months, and we can average your deposits that you make in the bank, and we'll use that as your income to qualify.
What about if you use that, like if you deposit $10,000 a month and then but you use like half of the money, is that can be a burden?
It could be a burden, but the good thing is that we also can qualify you off of just your profit and loss statement.
Okay, great.
So meaning we would need to reach out to your accountant, and they would give us a statement of what your income is. That is not, this document is not filed with the IRS. It doesn't have to be audited. It's just a document that comes from your accountant that states what your income is, and we use that letter to determine your income.
Okay, this one is for primary resident. They can use their bank statement, or they can use just a statement from the accountant to be qualified. And what is the deposit on that loan?
So the deposit on that loan, if you're purchasing a one-family house, is going to be as low as 15%. And if you're purchasing a multi-family house, so 2-family and above, we would have to put a minimum of 20% down.
That's a good deal.
Yep.
All right. And then what's the credit requirement on this one too?
So the credit requirement could be as low as a 680 credit score. So it's pretty simple to qualify for this type of loan, as long as we have the money for the down payment
Yes.
and the bank statements and or profit and loss statement adds up.
Good, good. And what about the other loan? If you want to buy something, you already have a primary residence, you just want to invest.
Sure. So we have loans for investment properties where there's no income at all. So there's no bank statements that we review. There's no profit and loss statement that we ask for. You're strictly qualified off of the rental income on the property. Okay. So we just want to see that there's rental income on the property, which if you're buying an investment property, of course there's going to be, and you would qualify for that loan. So with that type of loan, if you're buying a one-family house to invest in, you could put as low as 20% down. If you're buying a two-family or higher, you could put 25% down.
Okay, 25. And then there's no limit of the money you can lend on that loan? Like,
no, there's no limit. There's no limit.
As long as you have the 25% down.
Correct.
Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
That's good to know. And also, I want you to talk a little bit about this down payment assistance loan. I know a lot of people want to buy and they want to see their options. All of those great options are here, but if there's a down payment assistance loan as the first-time home buyer, is a great deal for them. So can you tell us a little bit about this loan you have?
Sure. So we have a really good down payment assistance loan program that our company offers that I'm not aware of any other company that offers it. It is for a FHA loan, okay?
Okay.
And you could put down as low as 1% of your own money. So remember previously I said on the FHA loans, the minimum down payment is 3.5% because that's the required down payment for FHA. But with this down payment assistance loan, the money that you're responsible for as a buyer would be 1% of the purchase price.
That means if somebody wants to buy a house for $500K, you're just going to put $5,000.
Correct. Because the 2.5% additional down payment is given as a loan to you, as an assistance loan that does not have to be paid back monthly. So basically that money gets attached to your house. It's a lien on the house. And every year that you're in that house, that balance goes down. It goes down every year. And then after 10 years, you don't owe anything back.
That means it's a forgivable
Correct.
loan.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So after 10 years, you don't have no lien related to that 2.5%. Okay.
Correct.
All right. So what makes somebody qualify for that?
So if you qualify for an FHA loan, you'll qualify for that loan. I mean, there's no real special requirements. Credit score should be 640 or higher. I know originally we said on a regular FHA loan, you could be as low as 600 credit score. With this type of loan, the credit just has to be a little bit higher, a 640. If your credit is not at 640 at the moment, I can help you and point you in the right direction on how to increase your credit score. We have analyzers at our company who can review your credit and see what needs to be paid down. And that's all done free of charge. And if you need extensive credit repair, we also have some credit repair companies that we can refer. But besides having the 640 credit, there's no other special requirements to be able to qualify for this down payment assistance loan. So it's a really good loan.
And with that loan, you can buy multi-family as well.
Correct. So you can go and purchase a $1 million two-family house in Queens and have $10,000 as your investment, which is unheard of.
Yeah, that's interesting. Of course, that's interesting. Okay, guys, I just want to ask you if you have watched us. You are watching right now to share this video. You never know who you can help who's interested getting a mortgage, share this video and comment, ask your question. Frank is here. He can answer all the questions you are asking right now. We are on live. It's not like a replay like the other videos. You can comment on it. We can see it. But right now we are live. Frank is here. It's a great time to ask your questions.
Oh yeah, ask away.
Yeah. Okay. And yeah, Frankie, I know that people like the first time home buyer especially, they need a lot of hand to hand to buy their house. It's like something new. They don't know nothing about
Of
buying.
course.
Some people watch videos, you know, there's a lot of videos, you just listen and then you don't have any great information. If you have something, you can have anything. You can have all the information you need. Right now, I just want you to tell us a little bit as a loan officer, what are the do's and don'ts when you are you are purchasing your house?
Yeah, so there's a lot of do's and don'ts when you're in the process of getting pre-approved for a mortgage or in the middle of an application when you're already in the contract signing, right? So the number one don't
So that's not before you apply. Is when you apply, you are in the process. When
correct.
You are in the contract.
Correct.
You
So
find your house, you sign the contract, you are ready to go for it. You are approved and everything. So now
you're already approved. You already gave your money to the attorney for the down payment of the contract, and now you're ready to close. You're right. You're ready to buy the house. You want to get approved for the loan. We don't want to take out new debt. You don't want to get a new car loan or get a new credit card or get excited and go to the furniture store and buy a whole bunch of furniture on your credit card and run the balance up. You don't want to quit your job or change your job in the middle of the application without discussing with us first to make sure that your new job is going to help you qualify. You do want to be in contact with me and Aissatou every day. We can give you updates every day on your loan application and where you should be in the process of the loan application, right?
Yes.
We don't want to deposit large sums of cash into the bank. We want to be smart. We want to just continue doing what we've been doing at the time you were pre-approved for the loan.
Yeah, that's that part, because people think like if you put in money, it's not a problem. Like it really affects you.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what's the reason that affects you when you put in large amount of money?
Sure. So money in the mortgage transaction has to be sourced. The government, the bank, the lender, they need to know where the money came from for you to purchase a house. Okay, for anyone, they want to know where the money came from when anyone is going to purchase a house. So if we're depositing large sums of cash into the bank out of nowhere, and there's no real history of depositing large sums of cash into the bank, there's no way to be able to source where that money came from.
Right.
It's very possible that you never deposited money in the bank and you just saved it in your, under your mattress. And now all of a sudden you're ready to purchase a house and you want to deposit all that cash into the bank. The bank's going to ask where the money came from. If you saved it, then you saved it. It's just we can't use any large deposits until it's been in your bank for at least 30 days.
Okay, we have a lot of people. Personally, I have a lot of people asking me that I have a couple of clients. They do hair braiding. They work with a lot of cash, so they have cash stuck, and they don't. If they want to buy now, they have $50,000, $100,000 in cash. How they gonna put that money in for them to be qualified? Like, what's the best way?
I mean, the best way would be for them to put the money into the bank as soon as they can if they're thinking about purchasing a house. And then after the money has been in the bank for 30 days, then come to me and apply for the mortgage, because as long as the money has been there for 30 days, then it's okay to use. But if you go and sign a contract to buy a house, right? And the closing now is tomorrow, and you go and deposit $50,000 of cash into your bank, we can't use that money. We can't use that money tomorrow. The money has to be in the bank for 30 days to be able to use it. So for everyone out there who has cash that they're planning on using to purchase a house, just put it in the bank as soon as you can. And then the money, before you know it, 30 days will be here.
Thank you. That's good to know.
Yep.
Okay. The dons are done. So tell us the do's, like what you are like encouraging people to do when they are under contract.
Yeah, I mean, I want you to continue working every day. You know, don't go on a month unpaid vacation in the middle of mortgage application. You know, again, continue to be in touch with us. Just continue to do everything that you've been doing during the process. I mean, the number one main thing is to continue your employment. Do not stop working. That is the number one thing to do.
Good. And then the main thing is like whatever you're trying to do, like if you have a little doubt, to reach us so we can let you know if it's a good thing for you or not.
Correct. I mean, there'll be so many times where I'll have clients call me and they say, "Hey, Frank, stupid question for you, but," and then they ask me the question and I say, "Thank you. Thank you so much for calling me," because there is no stupid question, and I would rather you call me all day long with 100 stupid questions than not ask me anything and then have a problem with you closing.
Right.
So please, any questions you have, none of them are stupid. Just ask. Call me and ask.
I'm gonna tell you the Frankie number right now. If you have a pen right now, you can write it down. It's 516-852-2412. That's his cell phone. You can text him. He can answer you. You can just let him know that you saw his number on our live. And again, 516-852-2412.
Yes, you can call me, text me, WhatsApp. I'm available all the time.
Okay, Frankie, I know you have somewhere to go. If you have anything to add right now, I know how's interest rate right now? You can tell us.
Interest rates are starting to settle down. I mean, interest rates, I'm happy you actually brought that up. Interest rates right now are in the 6%, right?
Wow.
There is one other program that we have that we haven't discussed that I'd like to talk about just before we go.
Mm-hmm.
So, while interest rates are in the 6% right now, we do have some other programs that would help you with your interest rates for the first 2 years of your loan, okay? This type of loan is called the 2-1 buy down, okay? So for example, if the interest rate right now, let's just say, is 6.5%, okay? With this 2-1 buy down program, we can offer you a 4.5% for the first year of your loan. And then on the second year of your loan, your rate would go up to a 5.5%. And then after the second year, it would go back to the normal rate of the 6.5%. Now, a lot of people are utilizing this type of loan because we are hoping that within the next 2 years, if not sooner, the interest rates are going to come back down again. They're not going to continue to go up and up and up and up and up. That's not the history of it. The rates go up, they come down, they go up, they come down. So if you want to purchase a house and take advantage of a low monthly payment, let's say a rate in the 4% for the first year and then a rate in the 5% for the second year, you can do that. And then when the rates come back down, we could refinance you into that lower rate.
Like, that's what I was asking, is like when interest rate go up, like of the second year to 5.5 and the interest rate on the market is around 4, you can just refinance, right?
Yeah, we could just refinance you.
It's a great deal.
So it really is a great deal for people who are hesitant right now to purchase a house because the interest rates are scaring them a little bit, right? So they don't have to scare you, because with this program, you will be paying a rate that is 2% less than the market rate for the first year and 1% less than the market rate for the second year. And then by that time, again, rates should be back down and we could refinance you at that lower rate. And then worst case scenario, if they don't come back down, which I don't think will happen, that's my opinion, then you're locked in at a 30-year fixed rate at that 6.5%.
Frankie, I have that issue with a client right now. I just want to know, is that apply on somebody that want to do investment and putting down 25%?
No, this is just for a primary residence loan.
I was
conventional primary residence loan.
I was so happy to tell her that.
I'm sorry.
Okay. That's okay. But anyways, it's always a win when you buy a house. It's always a win. Because the price of the house go up every year, and then the house that was selling 5 years ago is like 350,000 5 years ago in Long Island. Right now is around 500-600K.
Yeah,
that's always a win.
Right, that's what I'm saying. Don't let the interest rate scare you. As long as that you are comfortable with the monthly payment and you can make that monthly payment, don't look at the interest rate. Look at the monthly payment that you're going to be paying every month, and then look, like Isatu said, 5 years from now, how much more that house is going to be worth. I mean, it's just a great investment.
Frankie is very great at telling you that all the time. When I send him a client, he tell you what you're going to bring on the table, what you're going to pay on the monthly basic. And that's the most important thing. If you are comfortable with the 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 you're going to pay on monthly, that's the most important thing. You're just going to keep paying that until you're done with your mortgage or refinance it or sell it, whatever you want to do. That's the most important thing, like you said.
Yeah. Again, I know we went over a lot of information today in a short period of time. There's many different loans that any of you can qualify for. And it's best to just not think about them too much. If you're interested in purchasing a house, give us a call, and then we can analyze your situation and figure out which one of these loans that we spoke about is best for you. That's what we're here for.
Thank you so much, Frankie, for joining
us
today. And I'm gonna continue talking. You can just
okay.
Thank you so much for your time. And yeah, we talk soon.
See you guys. I appreciate it. Have a good one.
You too. Bye-bye.
Talk to you.
Okay, guys. Mi hala dun do e pular seda o do ko loan officer jo o ari yotu go do fi different loan jiko be jogi ko joni information ji dududi information ara no hali ko non mortgage ko nyamande won jettude fi ko nyawla go suudu nyamande fi jettugo suudu o haali do fi FHA loan ko FHA loan ko gouvernement loan mo be wallito ma suudu be dara income ma fi duubi didi and credit score ma low as 600 do ma qualify go loan nam be dare on 2 years one in 2021 and 2022 be additional didi let's say you make 50,000 2021 you made 80,000 2022 you had on 80,000 plus 50,000 180 divided by 2 Kolundo won income ma average income mo be qualify tama odo eno no moja fi first time home buyers sita ida mari income mo do no moja ma fi so second loan no hali fi conventional loan no wodi you put as low as 5% beni as low as 5% ko 5% chogo sundu like si sundu ngin to ko $100 do na yede what is now market mengo na don't know our $100 times 5% times 5 divided by some kodun do woni jogo ko wallinta kon down payment or on a loan ko 1 year income me checkata 1 year sa town hara 2020 and the pandemic one no yibe buy gollal 2021 yibe ben recover nade like you buy what all income moja then do be fit do donc why that go 2022 ma on ɓe qualify ma on income ɗon fiya suudu ma ɗum. And the way go multi-family, the way go single family suudu aɗa ko antuge famille ma go nama the way go 2 family wona single luina appartement go. Donc no wodi kadi loan go mo ɓe in on loan ɗon no waywa yimɓe haɗa ko self employé haɗa ko 1099 form jogiɗa mono waɗoɓen uba moroɓen bo kala jogiiɗo 1099 form on non fayda ko self employé ɓe netamo on non ɓe mari loan mo ɓe qualifiata ɓe darugol tum bank statement ji maɗum très facile easy very easy fi ɓe waɗoɓe uba parce que déposit mo warno allinede ko banque mon chaque mois donc ɓe dare tum bank statement ji mon ɗin 12 mois so ɓe dari ɗum ɗon ɓe wayon qualify go fi on loan ɗon down payment oɗo ko 15%. ɓe landata comme tax return anything like that bank ma on no wodi kadi loan go sa wallinta buuɗi ko banque ma like chaque mois aɗa ko conséquemment ɓe wawi darugol ɓe wawi innugol ya inno filanoma on tax accountant ma yo windane statement ko ɗum ɗo oɗo woni wadde hideytane ɗo ɗo wawi yiwdugol e whatever filanoma tax on innamo yo déclarane ɗon ko halanamo ko déclarata kon income ma on ɗo winda o notorisa o jonnama so jonnima ɓe wawama qualifiugol e on loan ɗon fe on dinkaydirɗo yata ko IRS di auditetake ko banque on tun hendoto dinkaydirɗo ɗum noon ko fi fayde yimɓe ɓe wallata ɓen ɓe gollude golle maɓɓe ɗen mbuyma ɗum waɗa laar profit and loss ɓe wawata utilise gol tax return maɓɓe on kon donc ɓen ɗon fi single family house ɗa wawi wallingo 15% low as 15% ɓe qualifete hendoɗa suudu ma ɗum easy oɗo loan easy to get as long as ɗa jogui boɗɗum multi-family ko 20% and up wallinta wawi sodugo suudu so a jogui 20% down ɗum ɗon ɓe darante bank statement ji maɗum just a letter from accountant ji ma statement that's it then mi yewti seeɗa fiipiji goɗɗo si tawi no sodude suudu hara nati sodugo a fuɗɗike sodugo suudu ara ko surtout ɓe first time home buyer ara fiji buyno to ganda maɗum haysa soodi cuuɗi go wawi wonde hara ɗum ɗo yananalima on tan ɗon do's and don't hara a yehi under contract a yehi suudu ko falɗa kon a gollidi wona agent wona min ɗo ni mi raɓɓanima suudu a yi ndu a falama ndu a inni ko nduɗo falɗa mi naɓanima offer o ɓe accepti offer on yehi ko lawyer ma on a yehi a signi contrat on ko non suudu ɗon banque on hara approuvé noma fo kaydiji man fo no réglé donc honɗon banque on yiɗa yiwgo fiji buyno ton wono inno yawgo sooda credit card je maɗen maximize ya soda utilisa credit card je maɗen ɗum ɗon no wawma empêchugo hendagol dilon par ce que si ɓe daari ɗum ɗon ɓe wawi salago jonnugo ma buɗɗi ma ɗum wona super excited yayna ok ɓa joni miɗo soode suudu moggu min lanni we almost at the end mi yami soda fourniture ƴetta credit card wita carte je ya soda fourniture ji buy deal ma on kara yarirta hayso yahay ko little bit of chance kono ko ɗum noyni wo don't do that mo haali kadi fi golle ɗen change go golle maɗen ma income ma on change ɗum ɗon kadi mo inni ko on tigi wattan yilay mo moƴƴa change e golle ma ɗum whatever ko falɗa wadde wona let's say a yeɓi opportunity ara ɗa gollude ɗo ɗam makinade 2000 a week ma ɗum 1000 a week a yeɓi opportunity ko on makinatoɗa 3000 ɗon ɗa wawi yewtudugol ɗa wawi noddugol ami ma kanko ma ɗum whatever team mo wonɗa gollude ho innamo listen mi yeɓi golle ko ɗum ɗon mi yoɓete then min advisate ma ɗum kanko loan officer jon o advisate ko si tawi is the best thing for you to do right now e si a habbato seeɗa another thing kadi ko yewti fimu let me check fayda ko most important thing golle maɗen income mon parce que si ɓe ƴetti ɓe daari ko wonɗa kon gollude yon lewru ndun ɓe qualifie ma ɓenni ok min daari oɗo no mekkinade ɗi buuɗi ɗo lewru ndun mi wawi mo ñawlugo 500,000 parce que min hooli mo wawa yoɓɓutugol ɗin 500,000 ji ɗon en fonction buuɗi ko woni ko wadde lewru ndun let's say ɗin buuɗi ɗon noon ko wonɗa golde lewru ndun ɗuytike andi ɗon haare ko karam ɓennatama ok mi sekka mi anda si mo mari capacité yoɓɓugol ɗi 500,000 ji ko mi wona ñawlude mo ɗo so ko wattango yila moƴƴa si tawiɗa under contract change go golle sodugol utilise go credit ji buyi and fayda ko ɗum ɗon lanjarɗo ɗo ko windi kon ñawlogol oto ɗin piiji ɗon fof fayda ñamande goo ƴettugo ñamande goo quoi ma ɗum udurugo credit card je ko yawgo ɓe roninno credit ma no wawi jippingol no wawi waɗugo hard enquête ko credit ma jippinanama credit score ma on so ɓe advice ma ta waɗu ɗum ɗon ma ɗum ya kusaynana goɗɗo wano ni gorejo ma haɗa mo faala ƴettugol loan ma ɗum whatever ko faala ƴettugo haɗa mo maapi kanko credit makko moƴƴa ya kusaynanamo so ɓe advice ma siɗa under contract a waɗu ɗin piiji ɗon ma ɗum ƴettugol buuɗi buyi waɗa ko banque ma on tan ɗon hiɗa woni under contract hara let's say hiɗa mari $20,000 cash ko suuduma ya tu wallina ɗin ɗon ko banque ma donc ɗum ɗon no wawi empêchegol ma hendagol suudu ɗum par ce que ɓe landimo ko fiyon ɗum noon ɗum ɗon empêche ma par ce que ko buuɗi wonɗa wallinde on wo banque fayda banque on no faala andugo source buuɗɗin ko iwi ɗon andi woko won tigi ƴettata ñamande o maɗa ko buuɗi iwroɓe faala andugo source on ɗum ɗon wawa ma empêche go hendagol buuɗɗin par ce que cash tu yawɗa déposite go ko banque ma donc sa waɗay sa faala déposugol amount of money haɗa besoin ɗin buuɗi ɗon is very important ko a yewtude agent jo mon an gollude mum ma ɗum ya yewtida e loan officer jo ma donc ɗo mi yawde oya o côté ɗimmo ko wonno yewtude parti sakkitoron fi mortgage by interest rate on mi faala fijingol ɗo commercial seeɗa so don't mari question any question right now the while I'm posangol jaboton
jarama ko min Mamadou Boye Bary real estate brokerage mango haray ko andingol on kadi hikka kadi hewti ka taxe ɗin fiilete haray ɗo yon fiilde taxe ji mon ɗin haray meɗen tori on si tawi hakkille mon hino fi ɗaɓɓugol nokkure ko wona ɗon faala sodugo suudu guere humpodiren min sifano on ko honno wawoton fiilirgol taxe ji mon ɗin fiyo banque on approuve gono woni ko banque islamique utilise ton woni ko banque traditionnel utilise ton haray hino woodi façon no fiilirton taxe ji mon ɗin si banque wawon approuve de surtout si tawi non ko hoore mo gollanton siko taxi jogi ɗon siko salon jogi ɗon si tawi ko grosserie jogi ɗon whatever ko jogi ɗon ko kala ko watte so tawi ko hoore mo gollanton guere famodiren si fiilon taxi mon ɗin so on acci ha on fiili taxi ɗin si contacte ɗon men haray woni leydi sodugol suudu nde hitande ɗo le plus souvent haray contacte men numéro ji no e vidéo ɗo on jarama. Assalamu alaikum musidɓe julɓe ko min Mamadou Boye Bary immorde Homes NYC ari ka mon ɗo han.
Okay, mi hatta ɗon fen ɗo donc continue yewtere nden ko min yon kon kadi wonɓe darɓe vidéo on fof sa yi importance e o vidéo ɗo share vidéo ɗo partage mo ko groupe ji ko wonɗa ɗo share mo ko page ma eɗa wawi naɓango goɗɗo siɗa andi mo faala sodugol suudu maɗa nandi no on tigi no wawi yeɓugol nafoore e nde yewtere wonande waɗede ɗo ɗo wawi wadde comment kadi pose a question siɗa mari any question right now donc adam yawde ko interest rate mi haala seeɗa fee o down payment assistance loan ko haali fimu inni o down payment loan ko fayda ko compagnie maɓɓe on tum fayda on wadde o ɗo ko compagnie o yalta ko on wadde ɗo ko wallingo 1%. Wallingo 1%. Let's say saɗa faala sodugo suudu 500,000, just $5,000. Maɗa saɗa faala sodugo suudu hay ko Brooklyn or 3 family house 1 million, 1.2 million, $10,000 wallinta. $10,000 a yaɓen ɗum suudu ɗon fiya qualifio ɗum ɗon ko 1%. Oya 3 andi so ɗaɓɓude suudu FHA loan ko low as 3.5%. 3.5% wallinta coggu suudu. Donc ɓe wallitade no yimɓe ɓen hara ko 1% ɓe wallinta. Oya 2.5% waɗanama ñamande go. Kono nde ñamande ɗon ko forgivable for the next 10 years. Chaque année buɗɗin ɗuyto. Jon lamme haɓe to mi waɗana on misal. Let's say ñawlande suudu ndu 500,000 times 3.5%. Generally ko ɗum ko 17,500. 17,500 gowanoɗa wallinde. Kono joni ko wallinta ko 5,000. Oya 12,500 ɓe ñawlete moni. On 12,500 ɗon non chaque année ɗuytoto. Ɓe ɗittemo na wonno ma yoɓitemo ni kono ɓe ɗuyte ɓe forgive ɓe ittemo ha for 10 years hara lanni for waɗugo forgiveness e makko. So ko ɗum ɗon ɓe o haali fi mum ɗon. Interesting sa soodi suudu nda a yiɗin ɗum ko fanɗi o gasa wona 10 years ma ɗum 15 years e may, you know. Donc en kadi chaque année sa yoɓi sindu no jippade o 12,000 12,500 ɗon in case innen tun si 10 years on timmali yeru année ko ɗuyti kon buɗɗin ɗuyti ɗiya heddiɗi wawi ɓe yoɓutugo sa faandu yeytugo siɗa faalandu refinance ugo sa yeytendu woni hara déjà yeɓi ɓuri ɗingen ɗum suudu parce que equity may ɗon hara janɗi. Donc oɗo loan kadi is very important fe yimɓe ɓe mara ɓen cash boy hara ɓe faala sodugo suudu maɓɓe ɗum ɗo. So you have that opportunity. Just 1%. So to go to the Brooklyn, the wife and got $10,000. Yeah, but 2-3 family house with that loan. But he did not think 2.5 on didn't know shaka need do it. So great deal. And in kadi ko qualify ma kon fo fi regular FHA no ma kadi fi go fi odo ko one difference on tum like or that belandi 1600 credit score kono do 640 credit score. Donc sa mara kadi credit credit hara credit man 5 something like that na ya mapo parce que ko jodi da don wata change gol ko sa noddi men guide ma kanko mo andi be mari system wallet to do ma fi no be guide ma fi yo credit man busto arta o towa ko ya 6 or 700 ha up ko dum do ni wadde be in case amara credit moƴƴa nayama po nawke credit yango moƴƴa donc mecce année prochaine next year haram fiximo most likely a fixatama parce que hara ɗum woni duuɓi himo woniri non hara anda hay issue on ko woni tigi tigi you don't have the issue sa yahay kadi contact wattoɓe credit kadi ɓen ɗon a yoɓeɓe donc sa noddima mene maɗum kanko o wama point to go the right direction mo wama en go okay ɗa ñawli buuɗi ɗo wawi yoɓutugol ɗi in couple months credit ma towa ma ɗum yoɓiti o $500 mo ñawliɗa ɗo ça va wallete bustugol credit ma donc ɗum ɗon kadi now o yewti ɗon kadi second part last part there fee credit 2-in-1 and that buy down credit. Let's say example yimɓe buy na credit I mean interest rate yimɓe buyno wuli sodugo suudu fayda innugo interest rate on no towi waɗini watatirni fen ɗo ni no woni 6.5%. donc ɓe mari o programme ɗo si interest rate on fen ɗo no woni 6.5% wawama wallita go ang sa sode sudu mandum, well, let's say the sode 2022 hika interest rate maung hada ang ko 4.5%. Hada ang na 6.5. What an amount 4.5%. Next year, 2023, interest rate amount yauta 5.5%. Parce que ko dun don voilà ko dun don yaute won han wona ko woni do fewndi do ni donc reason why be wadani o dum do parce que interest rate nas kona ko stagnant wona ta line goto no yawa jippo donc fendo ni 6.5 ayebi chance ayebi mo 4.5 da yobi the good man that save a lot of money for on interest rate for 4.5 donc let's say next year be ina ma joni interest rate amount yauti 5.5 because ko undo jono market on wana marché on ko fewndi don interest rate hala arti 3 ma dum nen tum 4 parce que wata jump go from 6 to 3 directly ko seda ji porto donc inen tum arti 4 si arti 4 why what go refinancing after interest rate amount 4 so you have saved a lot of money from 6% to 4.5 that's a refinancing 2023 that you get interest rate amount at 4 you are winning family and that's enough farmer the money donc si tawi kadi interest rate on ala dandu si tawi o jawi and still wana in tunes or EV 6.5 commercial on coffee on didon only 7.5 madu 8.5 7.5 and still ko next year 5.5 yo bata this year ko 4.5 and that's even 5 the 4.5% you know thing in tunes john now tangible number parce que you be ida you to go fee percentage in tunes so the 500,000 times 4.5%. Donc, 22,500. So, basically, ko no resume ko yote confirmo. Donc, mi yal commentaire first, mi yal got no landing question. Mi land ton kade again. Si tayi dari lang han confirm dito. Yi interest live community ko wade. Share video, partager mo group timo on anda hambo o mapori o information do. And again, sit on file sudu go sudu mondum. The Y contact to go lang 917-476-8548 noko ekran do. The Y lang contact to go the Y on wallet agol. Contact on Frankie wallet on yebon loan yebon so the mondo. Basically, me accompany on tege from the start to finish. Inshallah. And kadimi what did a little video so you can see our team again. The full team mo fat o kadikulu to go mo mo contact to go. Minute of full comment jodani ko walita ko community o yaltina bo from renting to home ownership parce que regardless ko wonda don ayobe wonda rent sare ayobe the mortgage landlord mount soit mortgage mount ma mortgage landlord mount then the boy can know what the command map so there is of course it's a challenging moment but ko ha foot that's a foot dika okay ko nga mangal and the procedure on sit out one day got to undo the program on tigi procedure on tigi explicante when are comfortable with the stress ma hara ande like is no ko wonno da ko wadde ko yelamano santi pandi you know.
Hi, this is the team of Homes NYC. We are here to present ourselves so you get to know each and every one of us. You have different nationalities, different languages. I'll let each and everyone present themselves to you. Let's start with Ryan Ali.
السلام عليكم اسمي ريان علي لو عاوزين تشتروا بيت في نيويورك ولا نيوجيرسي اريا اتصلوا بينا ونحن حنساعدكم.
Nike ntole Mamadou Aliou Balde na yi Africa bonsara albisiankila ambisi mademena ala bonsoro.
Won wali ngaline Maria Mabalde. Mo na New York City ne. Hawa mabangay sarape. Wong elimono mo malide. Merci.
Hola, soy Nelly Jurado y estoy aquí para ayudar. Nosotros somos expertos en todas las áreas de Nueva York.
Hi, I'm Anita Khan. Are you looking to buy, sell, or rent a home? We are here to help you at Home NYC. Come, give us an opportunity to help you. We make great.
Bonjour, mon nom c'est Ibrahim Ba de Homes NYC Group. On est là aujourd'hui pour vous dire tout simplement que si vous cherchez des maisons à acheter ou bien à vendre ou bien des locations, des chambres, tout ce que vous voulez, nous sommes là pour vous aider. Homes NYC, c'est la raison pour laquelle nous sommes là, pour la communauté. C'est pour vous dire tout simplement que n'hésitez pas de nous appeler parce qu'on est là pour vous aider.
On jarama o team mo yiɗon ɗo ko team amen on ni no yimɓe mariga language different miɗen mari culture different miɗen andi kadi saare nde gen fuure nde kala e mon faalaɗo sodugol ma luugol ma yeygol nodde o équipe amen ɗo ne wallitoto on jarama.
Ok, donc en hattine ɗo vidéo on hannde toɗi ke yimɓe ɓe ndarugo yo share vidéo si on mari kadi question iɗon wawi waɗoy ko comment mi waɗoye kadi o vidéo ɗo reply mi waɗo so waɗi ko commentaire ji mi yiya mi wawi jabagol ma ɗum. You can call us directly. Number ɗi number ngonno ɗo. You can call and ask any question you have. Thank you. See you next time.